How to recover your Facebook account without username or mobile number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any other Facebook account and search for the account you're trying to log in. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on three dots beside message, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on copy link at the bottom. After you've copied the link, open Chrome. In Chrome, search facebook.com. You will find this kind of screen. In here, if you don't have mobile number or username, simply paste what you copied earlier, which is the link. After the link is pasted, delete everything except for the numbers, which is your ID. Then add your password and log into your account. You will be logged into your account in this way. This is how to recover Facebook account without username or mobile number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.